All right, guys, I got caught off there somehow. Make a little part two. So I think the falcon left. Cooper came by me for a second time. Yo, I got some birds up in the clouds, guys. They are moving well, guys, moving well. Oh, they're coming down fast again. This group here is coming down fast again. Go up on them, guys, go up on them. See, I don't know if I caught the Cooper chasing another bird. He left already. Check this piece up there, guys. Hooking up in the pins. Oh, there he goes, there he goes, there goes the falcon. There he goes, there he goes, there he goes. Let's see what they do on him. Bird is starting to land, guys. Let's see here. Yeah, falcon driving them down, guys. So, you know what? The Cooper's down here. I'm gonna let them in. I'm gonna keep rolling, guys. I'm gonna keep rolling. I got a bird somewhere here. Let's see. I'm gonna let these birds in, guys. Shh, shh. I'm gonna let them in. Come on in, guys. Come on in. It's safe in here. Sometimes. They're coming in. They're coming in. Let's see what's going on outside, guys. This is the guy right here that don't want to fly. Get him out of the stock. Just holding the rest of the birds back. This is the guy right here that doesn't want to fly. Let's see what's going on here, guys. They're all in already. I got a few there. Let me show you guys. I got a few scatter, man. I got two, I got 1, 2, 3, 4 up in the dots. 5. They way up there. I don't know if I'm able to capture them. A few flying all over the place. All right, guys. Thanks for watching.